Hello my friends, how are you? So I got another box of Miniart stuff. So we got some heaps of cool things here at a really good price. So I don't think there's any more sales on at the moment, so this should be it. But I got this T60 kit, which is really cool. I got this version here, so the T60 plant number 37 early series. And this one's got the early style wheels. And I've already built one of these T60s by Miniart. I'll show you. It's really wicked. So I've built the May 1942. This is the second Battle of Kharkov. But you can see that's 4226. 4226. And then we've got 5863. 5863. So yeah, but it is really nice, and it's got a full interior. Really nice little turret. And you got all that interior there, so you got the transmission you can see there, and you can open this up, I think. I hope it's not going to break off or anything. And there's the engine. And you can just pop that back on. So, it's really a cool little kit. But, saying that, I'll show you why I pointed out the insignia. Because if we go to the instructions, and we look at the back here, so you get heaps of different options. So you get this option here, which is the German one, which is cool. Another German captured one. And then you get the Red Army one. The Red Banner one. I don't know what that's about. Oh, okay. You get the Red Army one, another one of those, another winter one. You get this spring one, but you see here, you get the exact same one. 5868. 4226, it's got the exact same thing, and that's the exact same tank. So 64th Tank Brigade, 21st Panzer Corps, 6th Army of the Southwestern Front, Kharkov Offensive Operation of the Red Army. That's in the exact same kit. That's in the exact same kit that one was in. But these are different. This one's got the, see the full steel wheels there? It's a slightly later T60. And it's slightly heavier armoured than this one. Not much, but slightly. So I'm curious about what Miniart was thinking there. Another one I got, and this one I got at a real cheap price. So this weird little thing, you see there, that's the rockets. But it's on a captured Soviet cannon. And it just seems like a real strange waste or something. Did they have a lot of damaged cannons that they just thought, because it would be handy, I suppose, you know, it would be easier to aim and easy to drive this around, but I wouldn't wreck a good gun to do this, because you can launch these, just, there's these little wooden things that come down and you can actually just launch them out of the box without anything. And there's other easy systems that they had that you could launch them from. I'm not sure why they made these, but they captured some in Normandy, I think. It was the Americans that bought them. But it's a pretty cool kit, you know, like, why not? Awesome. The Germans made it, so we can model it. And, yeah, you get the instructions. Pretty easy to build. Well, it's the harder cannon to build, as you can see there. There's a bit to it. A little bit more than the Zis 3 one they have, which I wouldn't recommend getting. Their Zis 3 cannon isn't that great. And then you get all those, a lot of photo etch, really nice. These are really nice. Those are really nice too. I'll show you. You get all that, and it comes together, and you put your photo etch over the top. It'll look pretty cool once it's done. I'm going to have mine in the firing position, this one. Not the prone position, not the transport position. And then you get this cool little thing at the back. So it shows you the different ones. That's the one they put the petrol in. And that's the one that's got the high explosives in it. And you can do a couple different colours. But yeah, look at these. These here. See how they got those little details there? It's a bit annoying how you have to join them together, because that would wreck that detail a little bit unless you're careful. And then you've got the charge there, and that glows in on the inside, and you can see these two locked together. So you get a couple of those, 4 of them in total. 4. So that also includes the box there, and it's pretty good wood detailing. And also with those rockets you get 8 of these. So you can finish building the boxes. And it's also got the end of the rocket on it. You can just finish building up the boxes. See, it's got those little aiming devices and all that kind of stuff on that. And they've put all the stuff in for the cannon, so you can actually build the cannon, I'm pretty sure, if you want to, but not that you will. I think that's a bit out of place there. But we'll build this cannon here with another kit. And then you've got the choice for the Soviet option. I think this is the German option and the Soviet option. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. But yeah, that's really cool. I really reckon that's a neat little kit. Pretty neat little kit, eh? And also got this one. It's a Soviet truck with the cargo truck. It's got heaps of cool options in it. What I like about this too is you get these diorama sprues. So you get 3 of these diorama sprues. So you can build cabinets. You get 2 chairs there. Well, 2 of the same type of chair, 1 round table, and on this one you get another chair. And you get a cabinet here, which has been sort of slide molded. And you get some, different lamps, telephone. It's really cool. The truck's really nice as well. Well, really nice truck, but you can see it's a bit of the older ones. It can be a bit flashy, although you do get nice detail, as you can see there. If you look at the actual moulding, it's very flashy. And that's sort of very common of older Miniart kits. You see that? So if you do get this, a very nice model, heaps of detail and all that, but you've got to do a lot of cleanup. You've got to put a lot of work into these older Miniart ones. And that's not the case with their newer ones. But absolutely stunning detail. But look what happens when you turn it over. That all has to be cleaned up. But your wood grain is fantastic. Always like Miniart's wood grain, much better than Dragon's. There's a lot of good detail in this kit. And you get this really awesome decals sheet. It's really good. But what I like about it is you get a lot of options to do. Now I'm sure everyone would, most people would do this one. But you get heaps of options. So you can do this Leningrad one, which is really cool. It's black with a green. And it's got some nice decals. And then you've got this Moscow one. Yeah, with your dark yellow and black, which would look really nice. You've got this is the tractor station technical assistance truck. Really nice truck. And this is one of those ones for those share farm places in the Soviet Union. Not the best one, I don't reckon. And of course you got the instructions, so let's go back and have a look at the other ones. And you get these cool things. So you can build a rug and another smaller rug, and then you've got posters and some books. But this is the one that's on the cover. Freight taxi in Moscow. And then we've got another taxi in Odessa. But this is later in 1947. But it's a nice one, isn't it? That's nice too. And then we've got some postal trucks. So we've got a Stalingrad postal truck. And we've got this Moscow postal truck, which is the 1950s one. Choices, eh? Really nice choices. So I like that one a lot. And finally, got another Panzer IV, because they're so awesome. This one's the Bomag, sort of very early, June 1943. And these two here are tanks that were used in the Kovel fighting. So both of these tanks that are pictured on the front, you can do. There's also one from 24th Panzer, and another one from Italy, and another one that's just slightly before the Battle of Kursk. I think you can see all those options there, yeah. So that's the one before the Battle of Kursk. That's the Kovel one, 24th Panzer, Kovel, and that's the Italian one. Yeah, so it's only two depicted with shirts and... Alright my friends, thanks for looking at my new models with me, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.